Good morning. This is Eric Windheim, Building Biologist and Electromagnetic Radiation Specialist. We're looking at an oscilloscope view and a spectrum analyzer view and a stetsorometer measurement of about 90 in a home here in Sacramento. Now, we found out that the dimmer switches were causing some dirty electricity, and I'm going to turn them on momentarily. And you can see the dirty electricity from the dimmer switches. Okay, so that's one problem. But there's something else that's really much more powerful, and that is the TV. Now, this is a Roku assisted TV. The TV says it's a smart TV. I'm going to push the power on button on the TV. So watch what happens to the dirty electricity level. Okay, so you see it's rising? So it goes up to about 1,000 once the TV gets fully cranked. TV just cranked up. So now we had 890. This is all due to the TV, which just turned on. I'm going to turn the TV off so you can see that the remote controller here.
It's the Roku stick.
We just turned it off. And you see how the dirty electricity went away? So it's very sad that people sit in their living room close to something that's creating not only a lot of dirty electricity, but communicates with the modem, which is only a few feet away, via wireless radiation. And that is what Roku does. It's so simple for Comcast to hook things up without cables, but just use radiation. So both of these can be reduced drastically. And you can have a safer home and feel better in your own home. Thank you for watching.